Hi guys, this is Mr. T, and you're watching Mr. Tranquilo's channel. Today, I'm walking in Skopelos streets, and I'm going to show you the streets, narrow streets, beautiful streets, a lot of shops, and some tourists are walking, considering like me. Enjoy watching, guys, and see you around. Flowers everywhere. See, a lot of shops, and of course, motorcycles. Yeah, typical Greek transportation. This is what I'm talking about. Stairs, 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 flowers, flowers, flowers everywhere. And white and blue. Very beautiful streets. It's shade. Lucky though. You see, there are a lot of plates like that. It's showing where to go. Ice cream shop. Ice cream is really familiar in here. And flowers, flowers, flowers. Colorful doors, stairs, and beautiful, colorful houses like that. Amazing. And they're narrow streets. When you look at the top, traditional Greek houses. See, very nice. An ice cream shop. Yeah, this is it. It says that traditional Greek wine ice cream. Amazing doors. Wow, that's so cool. At 12. This is sandals. It's really popular, very famous in Greek islands. These are sandals and bags, all leather stuff inside. They're selling leathers, and of course here is the uh, shop, restaurant, and bars and restaurants down there. Make it. Wow. A nice bar. Go down. Elvalo. Yes, small narrow streets. Another one. Oh, look at the colorful tables. Colorful tables and honey, honey. They sell honey. Wow, they're amazing honeys. Look at this. Like these are all wines and bottles. Wow, a lot of things inside to buy. This is really famous here in the Greek islands. The soap. Yeah, the soaps. Let's go down. Yeah, it's liquid. Amazing street. Very beautiful. There's another narrow street right here. We'll just go back to the other street this way. Yeah, another beautiful spot. Another beautiful spot right here. Beautiful, beautiful clothing. This is Jazz Bar. I have seen this place yesterday. It was some people and they're selling dress. And down there, the street goes like this. You'll walk down. Style. A lot of stuff like that. Fish bones and many souvenir shops, magnets. Very nice. Bye. Easy. A lot of stuff handmade. Yeah, see the magnets. Yeah. These are all stuff in blue. Scarves. And you see very beautiful dresses for summer, of course. This is a summer island. Look at this one. These are all summer clothing. Wow, wow, wow. The blue. This is typical from this area. The balconies, I mean. Look at this. The street goes all the way up there. Well, nice. Like this one. Yeah, this is really typical narrow street. And you will see many stairs. Many stairs. You know, they used to climb the street stairs to go home, or to go somewhere. because in the island it's not straight. A lot of hills to climb. Let's go. Let's walk a little bit more. Another narrow street, colorful, very colorful, and very beautiful buildings. And here's the color, red color. Wow, there are many of this, you know, souvenir shops. There's motorbikes actually the main transportation in here. Uh, there are a lot of houses made to restaurants like this one. Actually, white is the best color in here. So, yeah, a lot of handmade. Right there is the sea. Wow, I love that colors. This is, in every balcony there are flowers like that. It's usually paid to, these are the typical balconies up there. You know, see that balconies? It's typical ones. So we are on the coastline. We are on the coastline, almost on the coastline. Look at this old one, the balcony style door, and you know, yeah, we are here. Thanks a lot for watching.